Hundreds of visitors, as I gave them a tour of Dick Proenneke's cabin, encouraged me to write this book. I am Monroe Robinson, author of The Handcrafted Life of Dick Proenneke. This book is the tour visitors to Dick's cabin were always asking for, but there was never enough time to share. When Dick Proenneke no longer had the stamina to live on Twin Lakes, he left his cabin as if he would soon return from a hike into the high country. My wife, Kay Schuback, and I were invited by the National Park Service to care for Dick's cabin and offer tours to visitors. We met there at Dick's cabin and married 2 years later. I restored Dick Proenneke's cabin, cache, and woodshed, and before Dick's irreplaceable handcrafted artifacts were flown to the National Park Service archives, I replaced dozens of them as exactly as possible so visitors could experience Dick's cabin as we had found it. I saw firsthand Dick's work, his thoughts. The Handcrafted Life of Dick Proenneke blends my close examination with Dick's journal entries, Dick's everyday items purposefully crafted by hand, used and repaired to thrive in the remote wilderness of Alaska for more than 3 decades. For 19 summers, Kay and I became the holders of the stories visitors shared about Dick Proenneke. It was a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity and ultimately became my responsibility to share what I learned. Lost Art Press published the book I dreamed of, 450 pages, over 400 photographs, many previously unpublished Dick Proenneke photos, 80 illustrations, exceptionally beautifully laid out, and all American made. I wrote The Handcrafted Life of Dick Proenneke as a gift to those inspired by Dick Proenneke's life. Enjoy.